You come talk about you come for your life, I come go on like you're a good girl. I know man don't know you. My wife a fuck batty man. At least she comfortable. You a fuck straight man. And your blood clot miserable. Girl go look at life. Go read good girl book. Take a page out of my wife book. Oh, you want it? Go over the TikTok, go over the Instagram, bitch, go look. Look what it's like to be a wife. And when man wants you, I know him take care and treat and mind you. Bitch, when man wants you, you don't work. No matter how independent you is, you can't work. Because the man have the money, you have to sit down and turn housewife. Bitch, when you reach that life, come to me. Go and go do your homework. Me give all the blood clot time. You come in your blue suit, bitch. You're 7 days a week, and you're still not all right. Every day you're in one clothes I got work, and you're still not all right, bitch. You're still not all right. You're supposed to all right if you get 9 to blood clot 5, and I wear one clothes for 1 week. That means you're not getting up here. So that means you not qualify. You're nothing. You're nothing. The rent man soon come. The first of the month. Bitch, look under your foot now. You're not striving. You should not live in a good house to come out and show yard and garage. And the old woman cougar age is coming. You're on the rising now, where you have to set yourself now. And you're not going to get no young boy to fuck your old cougar, bitch. So at this appropriate time, your pussy fail you. I feel like I want to keep a funeral and bury it. Blood clot. Kill me, I kill a nasty blood clot, and we shall pronounce it. I ain't killing you, me I kill your pussy first, because a long time it dead already. So I'm only pronounce it. Me not ready for you yet. I just your pussy. Because I'm a grudge your feet, because you come from my body. So my body versus your pussy. So me I kill the pussy first. Remember body Arian, so me must win it. Yo boy, your blood clot come for me. You feel a waste of time. Bumbo clot. Not even ginger fly now come for your body. Look how long me a cost you. I know junk run in here. You know, so no come out now pitch by your dead bitch. Because the junk run there. When everyone look at you, they wanna wait for the major junker pick up your body, which is me. So, I'm alone on you. Blood clot. Nobody else, bitch. Me alone. Belly full me give you. Your donkey face looking blood clot, red bumbo clot. You look like when Colleen Queen, dancehall queen, has shit and it done. You look like Colleen shit. I just the color make it mix. Move your blood clot. Boy, you're a long time, Dolly. Then long time, big woman where I try to keep up for try look like you're blood clot 20. I walk, I do surgery. All of them money the way you put on your body, calculate them, stuff them in your pussy. Because you never have to do your blood clot body more than you take them $100 one. And if a $30,000 in there, you push them in your hole. Enough man with a mind your body. Because I don't know how your body up to date and your pussy quarter weight. Bitch, you're not ready. Blood clot, but you come for me, Dan. Dan, why you trouble me? I come in and me keep in your hole, you ready? Me not bring nobody. Because when me in your hole to blood clot, I want it empty. So me echo in your blood clot. So it make it register spacey. Blood clot, but you come for me. And by the way, me I give 2 minutes. Go and go juke the patient. And come back. Make me fix you. Me don't want you lose the job yet. Me want call them. So go on back, go work. Go on. Me want call them and make you lose it. So nobody take my time and listen to me and remember your work. Me want call them to fire your blood clot. You not make them fire you before me. Please believe me. Bling.
Oi.
Put that pussy on ice. I soon call the funeral date for bury it. Boy, you come. Girl, you not get me, you can't in a no class, no das. Bitch, you beneath me. I tell you, no, say, Batman give me glories. Cause Spice never give me. Some of the fuck will not come for me. This is Judgment Day Saturday morning. Dan, big watery pussy. That is the topic. And this court case adjourned. Who is the liar? I, Lord God Almighty. So you know he win. Okay, no. Bling, you ready?
Well, the people them know say this courtroom can go from 0 to 100 real quick. They know how it goes over here. So when you come over here, you have to expect the unexpected. You understand? So
00449. Text it in, come in one last it. 00449. Dan Bad Pussy. Tag it because I do not want when we draw up the court case. Cause remember say sometime bling as mine no member nothing. So me want to not everybody write the court case. So therefore when we draft it blood clot, me want everybody remember the code already. 0449 Dan. Remember it. All right, continue. The case number.
yeah. So let me ask you, when is this case trying?
Depends pan. Depends pan the people but that not no money. I mean I dismiss it a blood clot, you know. We just go throw it over there so and last it. And when you're ready we go feed. We not dismiss it. Them a case say you not dismiss. Them a case say you not dismiss till you're crazy. Them a case you dismiss when they die. Then she's still living. She will come back. She will surface back somewhere. Somebody else. Anytime she surface back and we book her in at the courthouse, we just last him, sentence him.
My problem is, if Dan, why you keep following us up? That is just my problem. You saw what you say already. You make video. She make video for the 2 away. Okay. So why you keep a follow we up for? Like, what the fucking following up for?
Because she is COVID and we are Pfizer vaccine. She needs it. But she's going to suffer to blood clot and she's going to go through the 31 days of the symptoms because we're not jokey.
No, sir.
We're going to quarantine a donkey looking blood clot. Yes. Quarantine your donkey looking blood clot. Is your face look like a donkey? Yes.
Fabasi, with you now, what transpired lately? Was it something
the big
new?
Pussy girl, hear me talk about Spice. She should take it up on her head because she want to be relevant because her daughter dead and it never be enough. Hey, you know something?
Yeah.
I did that. I'm going to ride a nasty blood clot. I did that. I'm going to call the court case next. I did that. I'm going to blood clot call next. You come for me? You come for me? Big pussy girl, you know, I can call your daughter and chat to her and make sure you're comfortable in the casket. You know much day me I read dead people and I take up people. You know what you are fuck with. But for who up here, it'll be wicked. Because God will have vex with me. You understand? But for class your dirty blood clot and when you know come try for about me, take a blood clot and zaka boom boom no blood clot, use me money and come back to ground. You want to rob me? You read it? Suck your mother. Me as maddy. Me sensible. Me have money. Big pussy water pussy dad. Your pussy make people run like a COVID. You know, see, as you come to blood clot, you call down crowd. As then find out who you are, the viewers is dropping 749 and a 1.9 there, and just become a ball out COVID, bumbo clot, a joke me that make people nobody run. She's not fully the virus. She on the first round. So that's why she come to us. So we are class. We don't know if we're going to juki. But you want compliment. Girl, my mouth leaky. Wetty. Remember it come from Batty. One Dan. Of course, a one Dan. You can't be another Dan. Because Dan is nobody.
No,
It
sir.
has to be one Dan. It has to be one Dan. You know so much page out there copy me. You know so much page out there copy me. Every turn you turn another blood clad page out there. Say them are RT boss, them are me. Dan is nobody. You know almost one Dan. When a million of me. Me is no positive test. That are me. No positive test. TP, NP, TP. Dan, don't go again, because I can't spell it no. And Dan, you illiterate no blood clot. You cost me, you never find out some illiterate no ras. You know, say I can't read. Big pussy Dan, you never say I can't read. Hey, also, I want to blood clot no go cause. You know, say I'm done so illiterate and can't blood clot read, and I'll know me no hear your class me. Even that alone will you fire the first shot. No, you make me first say, dirty bitch, you illiterate. You would have a class me and say, dirty man, you can't read, you illiterate. You can't have decide that the blood clot, you don't go to school. Girl, go away. I must say true, you don't as me at the same, so you're afraid to shame me and you at the same energy. But you have to just boss liberty, mama. It's like what me say me about man and that you say about me. I accept it, mama. But one thing you know about me, you only know say me about man, but me have every blood clad thing for your mama. Remember the man where you fuck? Where do your body? Where say him a jugs man different from the one where you fuck, where you say your home daddy? Quick pussy girl, remember man you fuck with do body. Remember the breast, the right breast is for one man and the next breast is for the partner money.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
What you know about me? Me a reader man, me have your file. Partner on the right and man on the left. Flip to your body. Bumbo clad idiot, girl. Remember me can't read, me know your story.
Shots fired. Shots fired, people. Take
But
cover.
you come like, you know me. Me a read that man, baby.
Shots fired, guys. Take
You
cover.
fucking man, I make him go to prison, lady. Remember